Valorant input lag on PC. Whether the input lag is low or not, it's greatly affect your enjoyment in Valorant and aim-based games, but the game news is you can reduce the input lag by tweaking some settings. Try these fixes, you may not need to try them all, simply work your way down the list until you find the one that work. The number 1, install all Windows update. Number 2, delete temporary files. Number 3, disable Windows 10 game mode. Number 4, update your device drivers. Number 5, disable full screen optimization. Number 6, set priority to high. And the number 7, optimize in game settings. Now if you are getting your input lag, the CPU plus GPU is above than 12, then you need to decrease it with your optimization. If you are using Nvidia graphic card, then it's more easy to reduce your input lag. Before jumping into the nitty-gritty optimization, it's very important to make sure that you are running on the latest version of Windows 10. It's fast, free and easy to download and install. The latest version of Windows 10 features many exclusive new optimization for most games. So first of all, just go on the Windows icon, then go into the settings and then update and security. Once you over here, check for the updates and install them. If this did not help you fix the input lag issue, don't worry, there are other fixes you can try. Delete temporary files. As the name suggested, temporary files are the kind of files that store temporary data that is created by Windows itself are the programs, but they take up some hard drive space, which make it less responsive. To reduce input lag, you are supposed to delete those files and it won't cause any problem. Now simply click on the Windows icon and then type here the run and then hit enter. The first command you need to type here the temp, hit enter. If it's already empty, it's okay. Just again Windows plus R key to open the run command prompt, and this time you need to type here the %temp%. Select all by pressing the Ctrl plus A key together and then delete all of them. Do this for all current items and then click on the continue. The action can't be completed because the file is open in Google Chrome. It's okay, just click on do this for all current items and skip it. Now close it, again press Windows plus R key together, and this time you need to type here the prefetch. Hit enter and prefetch show here a pop-up. You don't currently have permissions to access this folder. Click on the continue and then again the same process, Ctrl plus A, select all and shift delete. Number 3, disable Windows 10 game mode. That's the most important for Valorant, especially if you are feeling stuttering, then disable this option. Game mode is a feature in Windows 10 that focus system resources on game. When enabled, it was supposed to make gaming a much better experience, but it seems the opposite is true. The fact is it compromises input delay. To reduce input lag, you should disable game mode. Now for that, just click on the Windows logo and type here the gaming, and then you will get here the game mode settings. Just open it and turn it off. Also click on the Windows icon, again type here the gaming, and this time you need to go into the related settings in the graphic settings and need to import your game over here by clicking on the browse button, and then go into the C drive, Riot Games, Valorant Live, and import this Valorant. Click on the add. Once again click on the browse, go into the C drive, Riot Games, again Valorant Live, shooter game, binary, Win64, and import this file, Win64 shipping. Once you add these two files, just click on the first one, go into the option high performance, select high performance from GPU, click on save. Again click on the Valorant option, this time go into the option high performance from GPU and click on save. Number 4, update your device drivers. Now, a lot of people did not update their graphic drivers, but it's most important to update your device drivers. You can head to Device Manager to check for updates one by one, or go to the manufacturer's websites to download and install the latest drivers corresponding with your system. But if you don't have the time, patience, or computer skills to update drivers manually, you can do it automatically with Driver Easy, or you can also use the CC Cleaner to update your graphic drivers with CC Cleaner trial version. Now in my case, I'm using NVIDIA GeForce, so simply going over the GeForce experience. Go into the driver sections and check for the updates. Go into the home sections, and here you will see the three dots. Just click here on the optimization for all games and apps. It will reduce your input lag in any game. That's it. Number 5. Disable full screen optimization. Full screen optimization is a feature designed to improve your PC performance during game sessions, but there are certain games that are particularly affected by low FPS and input lag issue when player enable full screen optimization. To solve the issue, you should disable full screen optimization, and then simply go into this PC, go into the C drive, or just go into the Riot Games and then find here the Valorant, and then Live, and then Shooter Game, and then Binary, Win64. Find here your Valorant, Win64 shipping, and then go into the properties, capability mode, and then disable full screen optimization. If it's not appearing here, then go into the change settings for all users and then disable full screen optimization. Also click on the change high DPI settings and check this options: override high DPI scaling behavior, scaling performance by application. Click OK, apply, OK, and OK. Set priority to the, even though your computer is able to handle Valorant, you need to set the game priority to high if you want your game to be more responsive. Here how to do this: make sure you have open Valorant on your background. Okay, now simply click on the taskbar, right click on the taskbar, then open the task manager, go into the detail, and then find here your Valorant. Now here's two options: you can just right click on the Valorant.exe, set priority to high, change priority. Valorant Win64 shipping, right click on it, go into the priority, set on high. That's it. Now the last thing, optimize in-game settings. Sometimes settings by default may not give you the best result. Instead, you can optimize them to get the best gaming experience. Here are the recommending settings, but a lot of pupils did not optimize because of a good graphic card and good CPU, but I'm recommending go with the lowest setting for better response time. I mean, your CPU will render faster and you'll get the better response time. Now go here with the low settings. Also anti-aliasing none, anti-strophic filter 1x or 2x, it's on you. Improved clarity should be off and cast shadow should be off, but if you need some improvement in your graphics, you can just turn on boom option over here. Now the last thing, you can just go into the settings again. In general tab, you need to turn on the beta raw input buffer, so your mouse directly make response with the Valorant server instead of the through your Windows. That's it for 2 days. If you have any issue or any question, just drop your comment. I'll respond to you as soon as possible. Till then, just take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.